Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop applications from using our SMS options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So, to stop applications from using our SMS options on our phone, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Security and Privacy options here, and under Privacy menu we have Permission Manager. In Permission Manager we are looking for SMS options, and here it is. Right now 8 out of 10 applications installed on this phone are allowed to use our SMS options. So let's say we don't want our Galaxy wearable to have access to our SMS. Do not allow, back out, and as you can see now our app is not allowed to have access to our SMS. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.